So good morning everyone. Today we are continuing our class, that is exercise 5.1. So that is fifth problem we are doing. In a primary school there are 3 teachers to 60 students. For 60 students 3 teachers has been allotted. If there are 400 students enrolled in the school, how many teachers would be there in a school in the ratio? So for 400 students, how many teachers they want, we have to find. So how to find that? That is number of teachers for 60 students. For 60 students, how many teachers they want? That is 3 teachers. And for 400 students, how many teachers we want? We have to find. So number of teachers for 400 students. So we don't know, so we are taking it as X. So here we are using the proportionality condition, that is for 60 students 3 teachers. For 400 students, how many teachers we have to find? So already we have learned the proportionality, that is product of extremes and product of means. Just multiply this. So that will be product of extremes is equals to product of means. What is that? 60 into x is equals to 3 into 400. Now transpose this 60 to other side. So x will be 3 into 400 by 60. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 20s are. So for 400 students, how many teachers we want? 20 students, 20 teachers we want. Therefore, number of teachers for 400 students is equals to 20. So this is our fifth solution. Okay. So next is sixth one. So they have given one figure here. One triangle, right angle triangle. Here 8 centimeters. Here 10 centimeters. And here it is 6 centimeters. Okay, so what is the question? In the given figure, ABC is a triangle. Write all possible ratios by taking the measure of side pairwise. So we have to find the ratio for all the 3 sides. How many ratios you will get? Total 6 ratios you will get. So first ratio of first side. So what they have given in triangle ABC. So how many ratios you can write? Total 6 ratios you can write. First ratio, second ratio, third ratio, and you can write in the form of these 2 you can take, these 2 you can take, and these 2 also, and this one and this one also you can take. Okay, so now how many ratios we can write? Total 6 ratios we can write. So what are the 6 ratios we will see now. First one they have given, that is AB is to BC. So what is the AB? So AB is to BC. These 2 we are writing in the form of ratio first. That is 8 centimeters is to 6 centimeters. So you can cancel also. You can cancel in 2 table. 2 4s are, 2 3s are, that is 4 is to 3. Okay. Now next what I am taking? B. This one and this one I am taking. That is BC is to CA. That will be how much? 6 centimeters is to 10 centimeters. So here it will be 2 3s are, 2 5s are. That means 3 is to 5. Next what we can write? I am writing these 2 now. What are that? CA is to AB. That is 10 centimeters is to 8 centimeters. 2 5s are 2 4s are, that is 5 is to 4. You can reverse these orders also. So how you will reverse? BC is to AB you can write. Next CA is to BC you can write. Next is AB is to CA also you can write. So what will the ratios here? It will be BC is to AB, that is 6 is to 8. Next CA is to BC. CA is to BC, that is 10 is to 6. And here it will be 8 centimeters is to 10 centimeters. Cancel this. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are, that means 3 is to 4. Here 2 5s are, 2 3s are, that is 5 is to 3. Here 2 4s are, here 2 5s are, that is 4 is to 5. So you got all the ratios here. Okay, these are the 6 ratios formed by this triangle. Okay, so this is our 6th solution. Next, 7th one we will see. So what is 7th one? If 9 out of 24 students score below 75 marks in a test, find the ratio of a student scored below 75 marks to the student scored 75% and above marks. So out of 24 students, 9 students got below 75 marks. Okay, so find the ratio of students scored below 75% and also above 75% also we have to find. So here what you will do, out of this is which question? That is 7th one. So total number of students are how many? Total number of students are 24. In that 9 students got below 75 marks. So who got? If 9 out of 24 students score below 75 marks in a test. So below 75 marks, how many members got? Number of students got below 75%. That is how much? 9. Now we have to find how many students got above 75 also. So number of students got above 75 marks. So from total students, if you subtract the below 75 marks students, remaining will be above only. So that will be how many? Here it will be 15. So above 75 is 15. So what we have to find? We have to find the ratio between above 75 marks students and also below 75 marks students. So here ratio between below 75% of marks ratio between number of students got below 75 and above 75%. So below 75% how many members got? 9 is to above how many members got? 15. So 9 is to 15. 9 and 15 will cancel in 3 table. So 3 3s are, 3 5s are. So what is the ratio here? 3 is to 5. Okay, so this is our 7th solution. Okay, next is 8th one. So what is 8th one? Find the ratio. Find the ratio of number of vowels in the word Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. How many vowels are there and how many consonants are there? We have to find the ratio between them. Okay, so here number of vowels in Mississippi. vowels in the word Mississippi, Mississippi. In this, how many vowels are there? Vowels are nothing but A, E, I, O, U. So, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So, here I is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vowels are there? 4 are there. Now, we have to find how many consonants are there. So, number of consonants in the word Mississippi. How many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 consonants are there. So what we have to find? We have to find the ratio between these vowels and consonants. So ratio between vowels and consonants is equals to, how many vowels are there? 4. And how many consonants are there? 7. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 4:7. Next is ninth one. So Rajendra and Rehana own a business. Rehana receives 25% of profit in each month. If Rehana receives 2,800 in a particular month, what is the total profit in the month? So they have Rehana and Rajendra own a business. So in that, Rehana got 25% of profit in each month. For every month she is getting 25% of profit. So Rehana receives 2,800 in particular month. In 1 month she got 2,800. So what is the total profit we have to find? Okay, so what we will do here? Total profit we don't know, so we will take it as X here. Total profit we don't know, so we are taking it as X. And what we have to find? From the total profit she got only 25% there. Okay, so we have to find 25% of total profit will be equals to how much? 2,080 rupees. Okay, from this total profit she got 25%. That 25% is how much here? 2,800. So what is this X value we have to find? So here 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. Into of means nothing but into X is equals to 2,080. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am transposing this 100 to other side. That will be converted into division. That is 25 into X is equals to 2,800 into 100. Okay. Now what is the relation of 25 and X? Multiplication. So if I transpose this 25 to other side, that will be converted into division there. So 2,800 into 2,080 into 100 divided by 25. So cancel here. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So X is how much here? 2,080 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 eights are 32. 3 4 twos are 8. So what is the total profit? Total profit is 8,320 rupees. From this 8,320 rupees, she got 25% of profit. What is the 25% of profit? That is 2,080 rupees. Okay, this is our 9th solution. Okay, next is 10th one we will see. So what is 10th one? In a triangle ABC, AB is equals to 2.2 centimeters, BC is equals to 1.5 centimeters, AC is equals to 2.3 centimeters. In triangle XYZ, XY is equals to 4.4, YZ is equals to 3, XZ is equals to 4 centimeters. We have to find all the ratios and also whether they are in proportional or not also we have to find. So what they have given, they have taken two triangles. One triangle they have named it as ABC and other triangle they have named it as XYZ. Okay, so what is AB value? AB value they have given as 2.2 centimeters, BC value is 1.5 centimeters and AC is 2.3 centimeters. Now coming to XYZ, in that XY is 4.4 centimeters, YZ is 3 centimeters and XZ is 4.6 centimeters. So we have to find the ratio and also they are in proportional or not we have to find. So find the ratios of, they have given the ratios, we will see. Ratio of, so first one is what? AB is to XY. So AB is to XY we can write in the form of AB by XY. Okay, so what is AB here? 2 is to 2.2 centimeters by XY is 4.4 centimeters. So 2.2 ones are, 2.2 twos are. So the ratio is 1 by 2 here. 1 is to 2. Okay, now we will take for BC is to YZ. So BC is to YZ we can write in the form of BC by YZ. So BC is how much? 1.5 centimeters and YZ is 3 centimeters. So 1.5 ones are, 1.5 twos are. So again you got 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write in the form of 1 by 2 we can write in the form of 1 is to 2. Next ratio what they have given? They have given as AC is to XZ. So what AC is to XZ we can write in the form of AC by XZ. AC is 2.3 and XZ is 4.6 centimeters. Again we can cancel 2.3 ones are, 2.3 twos are. It is again 1 by 2. This is in the form of 1 is to 2. So all the ratios are equal. So we can say that they are in proportional. Okay, so this is our 10th solution. So remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.